Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I'm going to teach you how you can fix Roblox not launching on your device. So make sure that you stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important step or information that I am going to show you or tell you. So let's get on it. So there are actually various fixes that I am going to show you, and the first fix is to simply restart your PC. So to fix not working on PC or to fix Roblox not working or launching on your PC, the first thing that you should do is to simply restart the PC. So after performing this simple trick, many players can launch Roblox. So please don't skip it and try restarting the system before moving ahead. But if restarting the PC doesn't work for you, no worries because we've got other fixes. The second one is to check Roblox server status. So as Roblox is an online game, if there is a service outage, you may have the trouble launching it. So therefore, ensure that Roblox current server status and operations aren't down. So if the server is down for maintenance, you must wait for the problem to be fixed on the server side. So you can contact the Roblox support team for information or visit their social media pages. And then next, what you can do is to fix your browser or check your browser rather. So to play Roblox, visit its website and press the click to play button. So this opens a pop-up window that allows you to launch the Roblox app. So if the pop-up window doesn't open or Roblox did not launch with your permission, it seems to be an issue with the browser. So in such a case, clear the browser cache and cookies or use an alternate browser. And in addition to this, we suggest you reset the internet options. And to do so, you can follow these steps right here. So first, just press the Windows plus S key on your keyboard and then just type the internet options in the search field just right here in the picture. And then a new window named Internet Properties will open just like right here in the picture, and just click the Advanced tab and click the Reset button. Then after that, you can go to click on to the Security tab and click the Trusted Sites icon and click the sites button. Just enter this link right here. It is the www.roblox.com. Under add to website the zone, and then click the add button and then click close to exit the window. Exit the internet properties window and close all the running browsers, and after that just relaunch Roblox and it should work now on your Windows 10. So that's it. That are various fixes that you can possibly do to fix if your Roblox is not launching on your device. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.